Exercise 21. It's a big word problem, but let's see how we can easily solve that. The number of meters that a bicycle travels on a gravel path from the time the rider applies the brakes until the bicycle stops can be modeled by the function s defined by SV equals 0.08 times v squared. Keep in mind the following. The most crucial thing in word problems that involve models is to actually understand the two different variables that are connected here. So we have, first of all, v, which is here and here, and it's the speed. V is the speed of the bicycle in kilometers per hour. And S, which is the second variable, which is the entire thing, S of V, is the distance that, let's see, is the number of meters it travels once the brake are applied until it stops. So the distance it covers from the moment the rider applies the brakes until it stops. So now we are asked to interpret what S30 equals 72 means. If we closely use the same color, you will see that it's super easy to actually understand what's going on. This is 72. So, in simple words, when speed is 30 km per hour, it takes 72 meters from the time the rider applies the brakes until the bicycle stops. So once the bicycle has a speed of 30 km per hour, it will take it 72 meters to stop from the moment the rider applies the brakes. So let's now see which one of A, B, C, D best fits what I just said. A, after the brakes are applied, the bicycle travels 72 meters in 30 seconds before it stops. No, 30 does not relate at all to the seconds. After the brakes are applied, the bicycle travels 30 meters in 72. No. C, if the speed of the bicycle is 30 km per hour, okay, it starts making sense. When the brakes are applied, the bicycle travels 72 meters before it stops. Obviously, that's the answer that we are searching for. So, once again, the most important thing in these cases is to actually understand which two variables are involved and then simply follow the way they were defined in terms of context. Once again, the right answer for this question would be C.